So today we come together not to mark the start of a relationship, but to acknowledge and strengthen a bond that already exists. And they come before us today ready to take oaths of marriage and dedicate their love and their lives to one another.
I still remember when we were deciding where to take our first vacation together, and you suggested Maui. Little did you know, I would fall in love with it so much, and we'd be getting married here. I knew there was something special about you from the moment I met you. You had a way of drawing me in and wanting to learn more about you. We were made for each other. You are my very best friend, and I'm so happy we are on the same team.
Gray sunlight and crystal rain, one heart still the same. Cold cityscape, steel street signs.
And as Danielle and Garet prepare to formalize their union, they do so with courage, hope, and enthusiasm, knowing that from this day forward, you'll never walk alone again, and that you'll always have each other.
Breathe in the silent air, spread wings rising up like prayers. We watch the seasons glow.
I am grateful for every moment we have shared. I promise to continue standing by your side through it all, supporting you, encouraging you, and loving you with all that I am. Our future is so bright, and I look forward to seeing where the next years and decades of our lives will take us.
Like water that moves divine.
Danielle, Senorita, my love and travel partner. I love every memory we have made together, and I am overjoyed to experience all the things life has to offer with you. I know we can go anywhere in the world and everything will be fine as long as I have you by my side. I love you, Danielle, and as we stand here on Maui in the place we fell in love, I promise to support you in every aspect of our life, and I will always be your biggest fan. I promise to check all the doors are locked before bed and to always kiss you goodnight. I promise to love and cherish you for the rest of our lives, and I cannot wait to see what adventures lie ahead for us. I love you, Danielle.
I feel the summer breeze when rolling through the trees. No one can stop me now.
'Cause we are in perfect harmony. Through the water hits.
And now, by the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Garet, you may kiss your bride.
We'll be walking in the summer, not a worry in the world. We got each other, sleeping in, we'll be high under covers. We'll be doing just fine.